What's up, everyone? Two mostly bald guys. We're gonna go ahead and try to get my mower ready. Got a 2015 Cub Cadet XT1, and it's the 105th day of January 1st, so we figure summer might be in the near future, maybe. We're gonna show you how to do an oil change, do the new spark plug, and fuel filter replacement as well. So let's get to it and show you how to do this. We're going to change the spark plug first.
Alright, so we're going to change the spark plug first.
I'll find it.
Blake's going to go over there and find it. The only thing keeping you from getting this hood off, is this little plug right here. And it's just a little simple push and pull. And then this hood, the hinges are similar to the tailgate on your truck. So Blake, lean this down. All you gotta do is
heater's kind of kicking on.
Time out. Alright, time in. So I just unplugged this. Blake's going to take this hood, and what you do is you see this hinge right here. You just kind of rotate it a little bit, and then you're gonna pull up. Boom.
Take the hood off.
Take the hood off, just like your truck. So they're in there kind of like a cam system. And your spark plug. Okay, so the spark plug sunk in here. Blake's gonna got some needle nose pliers.
You can grab it with your finger. I'm just gonna grab it with this.
Ooh.
There we go. Push that out of the way. Maybe it's a little tight in there. Probably be easier if I took this cover off, but I'm not gonna do that. Oh, I'm gonna need an extension.
Yeah. And I assume if you do want to go ahead and take this cover off, you got one bolt here, that one, my finger was covering it, and then one more bolt kind of hid down in there, and the cover pull straight up. But there's no need to pull that cover off. Okay.
Oh yeah, she needed replaced.
Oh man, Blake, come on.
That was a hard working year there.
Yeah.
Kill it.
So Blake's finished tightening it up.
Fighting getting the damn spark plug socket off.
But look, hey, if you just leave it on there, it's quick access for next time.
Yeah.
I'm kidding. That's not how you do it. Boom. Alright, now that's done.
Hey, the rubber stayed on. It's always good, right?
Yeah, it's always good. And then you're gonna take your little plug, and you're gonna.
Well, you get it.
Yeah, you can give. I'll do it in a minute. Or never mind. I'll make Blake do it. It's his mower.
So we pulled the. Well, if you didn't know already, on the 15s.
It goes like, yeah, it was, that goes up.
Adam pulled it off, not me.
Yeah, my fault.
So, you didn't know. That's basically how your air filter sits.
And then,
yeah, you loosen these up, blah, blah, your air filter comes off. On the 18s, it's actually looks like a cold air intake on a Honda.
It's like a K&N air intake, so it comes up and it's got a round filter instead of this flat one.
Yeah.
Now, we were going to change this filter, but this filter has 0 grass or 0 anything in it. So
but it does have this pre-filter. It's pretty dirty, so we'll probably blow that out.
Yep.
and get that nice and cleaned up and then put that back in. But yeah, pre-filter catches majority of it.
Which is quite nice.
So I'm not changing it. So we'll do that.
And then next step, Blake, is...
Let's do fuel filter.
All right.
Looks pretty nasty.
Yeah.
So I got the new fuel filter.
Yep, new fuel filter. Nice and clean.
Yep. Flow. Gas tank to motor. With that, you're gonna, when you take this off here, it's gravity fed. Fuel's higher than the motor, so you're gonna want to pinch this off. Otherwise, whenever you remove this,
everything's going to drain from there just to the floor.
Yeah, so if you have a pair of vice grips or something, just clamp it on to pinch it off. They actually have a tool for that. We don't have it, but I'm just going to use some vice grips.
And if you couldn't see it a second ago, I'll show this a little better. See how it says flow? So make sure you watch your flow direction. Don't accidentally put it on this way, and then you might have a motor runs a little on the rough side. So Blake's going to show you how to do it.
So you just take that. Okay, a little bit more here. A little bit more. That'll work. That way I don't lose so much fuel.
It'll just drip a little bit out of the front, but that's it.
Take those, pinch that together and slide it apart. Same for the other side. Then you just start pulling lines off, put your new fuel filter back on, and it's all good to go.
All right, fuel filter is on, and the hose clamps are back in position. Next, for the oil change, which I have the oil bucket right here.
Yeah, that's a little nasty bucket over here.
Yep.
Slide it underneath there if it'll fit.
Well, there we go.
That'll work.
Okay.
Okay, Cub Cadet makes this real easy.
You push forward on.
I gotta get this.
You push forward on it. No, push and then pull.
There we go.
Boom. See how it unclipped?
Look at this.
Most nifty thing ever.
And then all you do is you get tools, because the Loctite makes it hard, even though it's plastic. Man, I'm good.
Oh, look at that. Blake got it right the first time. Oh, yeah.
Man. Always with a combination wrench.
Yeah. We are certified YouTube master mechanics. Well, I am. Blake actually has an education. School of Hard Knocks. Okay, so once you get that on and loosened, you're going to aim the hose at your oil pan. There we go.
Yeah, well, it's pretty clean.
Yeah.
Not once it touches the bucket, but coming out, it ain't too bad.
It's not the worst that we've ever seen. And then this is your oil dipstick. You can pull it up to relieve some pressure that may be in there. But look at this. Cub Cadet makes this nice hose so you can keep this
Mess free.
Mess free. There we go.
Well, until you take your oil filter off.
And then it's a whole nother story. But
hey, you know, if you get a John Deere, you got that quick, what's that new...
quick change oil filter.
Yeah, it's got the oil in the filter.
Yeah.
It's also $40, but...
Let's see. How easy does this come off?
From the factory, they are very, very, very tight.
Yeah, they are. So, we're gonna let this drain, and then we're gonna crack that loose. Okay, there we go. Ha.
All right, time to make a mess.
No, don't do it.
It'll probably stay contained until I drop it.
And then that's when you make a mess. Woo.
Yeah, I got some more on my fingers and this new filter. So, just like your car, basically the same filter. Just make sure you get some oil, put it on that seal. And just take some of your old oil that you had, get it nice and lubed up, and then put it on there like you would your car.
And we're going to keep letting this drain. 1 hour later, it's finally done.
So once you're down to a drip, good enough, put your little cap back in there. Put your, make sure it's tight. Doesn't have to be, like, torque it down or nothing. Just, or it ain't gonna come out.
While you were talking, I was literally just filming the tire.
Yeah, that's alright.
Other way.
Hey.
There you go.
We'll just
Boom.
Okay, now that's in. We'll put our oil in. I haven't really found how much oil this thing actually takes. I've seen the 22 horsepowers take, what, 48 ounces? Something like that?
Well, just over 1.5 quarts.
So we bought, we just went ahead and we were at Home Depot and they had the kits for the Cub Cadet Tune Up. So I just went ahead and bought their oil. Otherwise I would have bought like Valvoline or Pennzoil or something. I'm not too picky on oils. To me, oil's oil. But I'm sure we'll get a lot of people commenting on that.
Well, I mean, I don't know. I run Rotella, but I drive a diesel, so.
I would go with that in the diesel.
Put Rotella in your mower too.
Yeah. But, so I bought their just whatever oil that came in the kit. Power Care.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. 10W30 is what this takes. So, your choice of oil, 10W30.
Were you showing that? Did you show the front of that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I thought you did, and I don't know. Okay.
So, I'm just going to fill it and just keep checking it. I want to put a quart of this in because I think the 18 horse takes a quart. Maybe a hair over. Fire it up, check it, and then if it needs more, I'll add more.
Alright. Blake blew out the filter. You can see there's still a little bit of brown to it, but it's now clean. He's going to put that filter back in here, like so. And then he's going to... Yep. Then he's just going to attach it. Alright, so we got this back on, tightened. We got the brand new filter. Oil filter, brand new fuel filter. Oil's in and chopped. Blake's got the hood. I was in his way. Put it on the same way he took it off.
I can't see what I'm doing, so.
Well, here
we go.
Okay. And once you do that,
Plug your headlights back in.
plug your headlights back in. Come on. Trying to do this one-handed.
Well, anyways, you get it.
Yeah, you know what? The YouTubers that do things one-handed, props to you guys. Okay, plug back in. Headlights are back on.
The stylish headlights that actually don't do very much light.
Yeah, LED. Hey, these actually do way more than my '98 Craftsman Rider does. These headlights are not bad at all.
MTD did not do a bad job.
No, honest to God.
If
So,
you did not know, MTD makes Cub Cadet motors.
and I believe they make
Every
everybody
motor
else.
on the market,
everybody else.
except for John Deere.
So, they had the jumper box back on. Set for a year. Summer, the winter. There we go. Not sure what season we're in anymore.
105th day of January 1st.
Yeah, that season. That's the season we are in. So, we are done with the tune-up. Alright, everybody. I hope this helps on your 2015 and up Cub Cadet XT1 Euro edition. Is that what it says? Double check.
Hell, I don't know.
Well, I'm making him do work.
Yeah, it's one of them models.
Yeah, there we go. XT1. We'll just stick with
Cuts
XT1.
grass, it's good enough.
Cuts grass.
If you check our other videos, it climbs trees and does wheelies too.
And it does. It does quite well. So, like, comment, and subscribe.
See you guys next time.